Today we will prepare a bucket list of natural wonders that a person must see before they die. Let's get started. Number 30. Cliff Mahar. Where the land surrenders to the sea, and the wind sings ancient songs. The cliffs of Mahar rise like a dream carved from stone. Located on the west coast of Ireland, these cliffs are one of the nation's most iconic natural landmarks, drawing over 1 million visitors each year. Stretching for 14 kilometers and soaring over 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean, the cliffs offer a dramatic panorama of crashing waves, misty skies, and seabirds in flight. For centuries, they've inspired poets, painters, and dreamers alike. On a clear day, you can see 5 different counties from the top. A breathtaking view that connects land, sea, and sky in a single gaze. Today, the cliffs of Mahar stand as a symbol of Ireland's wild beauty, fueling the country's tourism and preserving its natural heritage through sustainable conservation. Number 29. Giant's Causeway. Born of fire and shaped by myth, these stones rise like stepping stairs into the sea, a place where nature whispers in riddles. Located in Northern Ireland, the Giant's Causeway is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most treasured natural wonders in the United Kingdom. Formed 60 million years ago by volcanic eruptions, the causeway is made up of around 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, each one perfectly hexagonal, as if sculpted by giants. For centuries, legends claimed it was built by the giant Finn McCool to reach Scotland. Many of the columns produce melodic tones when struck, leading some to call them nature's xylophone. Today, it draws visitors from around the world, serving as a symbol of Irish legend, geological wonder, and the harmony between story and stone. Number 29. Big Lagoon. Cradled by limestone cliffs and painted in shades of emerald and turquoise, the Big Lagoon feels like a secret world untouched by time. Located in the Philippines on the island of Minalak in El Nido, Palawan, it's one of the country's most iconic and photographed natural attractions. The lagoon is surrounded by towering karst cliffs and crystal-clear waters that reflect the sky like glass, accessible only by kayak or boat. Its serene beauty offers a quiet contrast to the wildness of the surrounding sea, making it a haven for both marine life and travelers seeking peace. At low tide, a hidden sandbar emerges, allowing visitors to walk into the lagoon's heart. A moment that feels almost magical. Today, the Big Lagoon stands as a centerpiece of sustainable tourism in the Philippines, protected by local conservation efforts and celebrated worldwide for its breathtaking serenity. Number 27. Gobi Desert. Endless, windswept, and ancient, the Gobi stretches like a silent ocean of sand and stone, where the earth holds echoes of empires long vanished. Spanning across southern Mongolia and northern China. Once part of the legendary Silk Road. Unlike typical deserts, the Gobi is a land of contrasts. Sweeping dunes, frozen plains, rugged canyons, and dinosaur fossil beds. It was the domain of Genghis Khan's empire and a corridor for trade, culture, and conquest for centuries. The Gobi is one of the few deserts on Earth that experiences snowfall, with winter temperatures dropping as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Today, it remains vital for scientific research, ecotourism, and as a symbol of Mongolia's wild frontier spirit. A living reminder of nature's raw and unyielding power. Number 26. Dead Sea. In the heart of the desert, where silence is deeper than the sea itself, lies a shimmering mirror that defies the laws of life and gravity. Bordering both Jordan and Israel, the Dead Sea is one of the most iconic natural wonders of the Middle East and the lowest point on Earth. Its surreal blue waters, surrounded by salt-crusted shores and arid mountains, have drawn travelers for thousands of years, from Cleopatra to ancient kings. With salinity nearly 10 times higher than oceans, its waters hold healing minerals and mythical reputation. Due to its density, people can float effortlessly on the surface, making swimming here feel like floating through air. Today, the Dead Sea remains a major site for wellness tourism, mineral extraction, and environmental concern, as its shrinking waters spotlight the urgent need for ecological balance. Number 25. Cappadocia. As dawn breaks over an alien landscape, hundreds of balloons rise into the sky, drifting above a dream carved in stone and time. Located in central Turkey, Cappadocia is one of the country's most treasured regions, known for its otherworldly terrain and deep historical roots. Formed by ancient volcanic eruptions and shaped by centuries of wind and rain, the region is famous for its fairy chimneys, rock-cut churches, and underground cities that once sheltered early Christians. The blend of nature and human history is nothing short of surreal. Cappadocia's Gagrim Open Air Museum is a UNESCO World Heritage Site where entire monastic communities lived inside rock-carved sanctuaries. Today, Cappadocia is a global hotspot for hot air ballooning and heritage tourism, offering a magical window into both Earth's power and humanity's resilience. Number 24. Navajo Beach. Hidden behind towering cliffs and kissed by sapphire waves, Navajo Beach appears like a stolen secret, whispered only by the Ionian Sea. Located on the island of Zakynthos in Greece, it's one of the country's most iconic coastal treasures and a symbol of Greece's breathtaking island beauty. Also known as Shipwreck Beach, it's framed by sheer limestone walls and glistening turquoise waters. At its center lies the rusted remains of a smuggler's ship that ran aground in 1980, adding mystery to its already cinematic setting. Accessible only by boat, the beach's remoteness adds to its allure, making it one of the most photographed beaches in the world. Today, Navajo is a bucket list destination for global travelers, representing the untouched charm of the Greek Isles and the timeless pull of nature's hidden gems. Number 23. Kalayaan Volcano. In the quiet hours before dawn, a ghostly blue fire dances across the earth, a rare spectacle born from the heart of a living volcano. Located in East Java, Indonesia, Kalayaan is one of the country's most unique geological wonders and a powerful symbol of nature's extremes. This active volcano is home to the world's largest acidic crater lake, glowing a surreal turquoise. But it's the mysterious blue flames, caused by ignited sulfuric gases that set it apart, creating a nightscape that feels otherworldly. Miners still extract sulfur by hand from the crater, carrying heavy loads up treacherous paths. A haunting glimpse into human endurance. Today, Pamukkale Island draws adventurers, scientists, and photographers alike, standing at the crossroads of raw beauty, rare phenomena, and the resilience of local life. Number 22. Plitvice Lake. Where water flows like liquid glass and forests whisper in shades of green. Plitvice is a living fairytale sculpted by time and silence. Located in central Croatia, Plitvice Lakes National Park is the country's oldest and most celebrated natural reserve, protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sixteen terraced lakes cascade into one another through a series of waterfalls and limestone canyons, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that shift with the seasons. The park has been revered for centuries as a sacred meeting place between land and water. The lakes constantly change size, shape, and color due to natural mineral and microbial activity, making no two visits ever the same. Today, Plitvice is a symbol of Croatia's natural wealth, drawing nature lovers from around the world while promoting environmental conservation and ecotourism. Number 21. Atacama Desert. Beneath skies so clear they reveal the breadth of stars, the Atacama stretches. Silent, surreal, and older than memory itself. Located in northern Chile, the Atacama Desert is the driest non-polar desert on Earth and a national symbol of stark, unyielding beauty. Its vast salt flats, crimson canyons, and moon-like valleys form one of the most alien landscapes on the planet. Civilizations once thrived here, carving out life from the harshest extremes, while ancient petroglyphs still mark the stones. Parts of the Atacama haven't seen rainfall for hundreds of years. Yet the region bursts into color with rare desert blooms after sudden rain. Today, it serves as a vital hub for astronomical research, tourism, and even space exploration testing. A place where Earth mirrors the mystery of distant worlds. Subscribe to the channel for the next part, like the video and press the bell icon.